So a client dropped off this desk for me to refurbish. Believe currently we're going with a black base and a light purple marbled top. As you can see, the top is a plywood top with quite a bit of paint chipping, but overall it is solid. The drawer is in really nice shape, actually. It looks like this used to be a Pennsylvania House desk production. It's got wood hardware underneath, which is super easy to work with and repair if needed. I do like the pool. It is for a preschool classroom. Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt's Custom Countertops and Creations. This is that end table that was commissioned to be refurbished. It is finished, so I'm getting ready to drop it off with the client right now. Just thought I'd take a quick video. I did keep the same pull the same. This is for a children's room at a daycare, so I thought that was a pretty whimsical pull on the single drawer there and decided to keep it. Client asked for a purple marble. Came out a little bit darker than what we were initially expecting, but there is definitely purple going on here, along with this additive, which is plum blue. So let me know what you think. Do all the social media stuff, and see you on the next one.